What would you do if you woke up one day and found out a machine could do your job better, faster, and cheaper than you? Not in a movie, not in a future fantasy. In real life, starting right now, artificial intelligence is already changing how people work, earn, and build their careers. Some jobs are disappearing quietly. New jobs are being born just as fast. And most people are stuck in the middle, unsure what comes next. In this video, we will look at the real truth behind AI and jobs. Not fear, not hype, just facts, real examples, and clear direction so you can stay ready for the next 10 years. So let's dive in. The workforce is already changing. AI is not coming. It is here. Companies across the world are using tools like chatbots, automation software, and coding assistants to reduce costs and boost speed. According to McKinsey, generative AI could automate up to 57% of working hours in the United States. That does not mean half the people will lose their jobs tomorrow. It means more than half of what people do every day is changing. The World Economic Forum adds another powerful number. By 2030, about 92 million jobs may be displaced due to technology shifts. But at the same time, millions of new roles will appear. This shows one clear truth. AI is not just removing jobs. It is reshaping work itself. Jobs most likely to be automated. Some roles are higher risk because they rely on routine tasks. Customer service is a clear example. Chatbots now handle questions that once required large call centers. Self-checkout systems also reduce the need for human staff in stores. Driving is another area facing change. Companies like Uber are already working with self-driving firms, such as Waymo and Aurora. This puts pressure on taxi and delivery drivers over time. Programming is also shifting fast. Tools like ChatGPT and Gemini already write basic code. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei has even said AI could write most software code by 2026. Research roles face similar change. AI systems now process huge data sets in minutes, doing work that once took teams of analysts days. Legal support jobs like paralegals are also affected as AI handles document review, case research, and report writing faster than humans. Factory and warehouse work continues to change as machine vision and robotics improve. Financial trading is another area where AI predicts trends faster and cheaper than people. Travel advisors, content writers, graphic designers, and data entry clerks are also seeing disruption. McKinsey estimates AI could affect 38% of business process and data entry jobs alone. These roles will not vanish overnight, but the number of humans needed will keep shrinking. Jobs that AI is unlikely to replace. Even with all this change, some work stays human. Teaching depends on trust and emotional connection. AI can support classrooms, but it cannot replace the bond between a teacher and student. Nursing is similar. Machines can move supplies and track data, but only humans provide comfort in moments of fear and pain. Social workers and therapists also remain deeply human roles. These jobs rely on empathy, judgment, and understanding complex emotions. Trades like plumbing and electrical work require hands-on problem solving that machines still struggle to match. Lawyers and HR specialists deal with ethics, conflict, and sensitive decisions where moral judgment matters more than speed. Creative fields also keep their human edge. AI can generate art and text, but real innovation comes from people. Human artists create new styles. Human writers shape stories that connect emotionally. AI may assist, but humans still lead creativity. The real benefits of AI at work. AI is not only a threat, it also brings powerful advantages to workers who use it wisely. One of the biggest benefits is freedom from boring, repetitive tasks. AI now handles data entry, scheduling, and simple reporting, giving people more time for meaningful work. Experts say this shift could even shorten the workweek in the future as productivity rises. Sean Cho from Catalytic explains that technology often shifts work instead of removing it. Output increases, and people move toward higher value tasks. Justin Adams from Digitize that AI adds that we may soon reach a point where AI finally reduces workload instead of adding more. AI also improves decision-making. By analyzing massive data sets, It helps workers see trends clearly and avoid guesswork. This leads to smarter strategies and fewer costly mistakes. How AI is creating new jobs. While some roles fade, others are being born. AI itself needs humans to build, train, and manage it. That is why new careers like prompt engineer, AI ethics specialist, and machine learning engineer already exist. Health tech implementation specialists now help hospitals adopt AI safely. AI literacy trainers teach workers how to use these tools correctly. The World Economic Forum predicts a net increase of about 170 million new jobs by 2030 linked to technology changes. Experts like Sean Cho explain that AI needs constant training, monitoring, and care. These needs create entire industries that did not exist before. History shows this pattern clearly. Just like the Industrial Revolution replaced some jobs and created many others, AI is doing the same today. Why skills matter more than job titles. In the next decade, your job title will matter less than your skill set. Experts agree that workers who build strong communication, creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking will stay valuable. These are areas machines still struggle with. Dan Platt from Narrative Science explains that people do not need to become expert programmers, but understanding how systems work gives them a major advantage. Companies already act on this idea. Amazon, for example, invested over $1 billion to retrain 300,000 employees through its upskilling program. This shows that the future is not about replacing people. It is about reshaping what people do, what history teaches us. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. Many jobs disappeared, but even more were created. England did not become poorer after the shift. It became different. CEO Chris Nicholson explains that AI follows the same path. The work does not vanish. The work evolves. The danger is not changing itself. The danger is refusing to adapt while the world moves forward. History shows that every major technology brings fear at first. People once feared electricity, machines, and computers in the same way they fear AI today. Yet those tools ended up creating more comfort, safety, and opportunity. The same pattern is forming again. AI will remove some roles, but it will unlock new industries that do not exist yet. The people who learn early will shape those industries. The real risk nobody talks about. The biggest risk is not AI taking jobs. The real risk is people standing still while others move ahead. AI does not replace ambition. It amplifies it. Workers who learn how to use AI become faster, more valuable, and more confident. Workers who avoid learning feel pressure and fear. The gap between these two groups will define the next decade. This gap will not only be about income, it will be about opportunity and peace of mind. Those who stay updated will feel in control of their careers. Those who fall behind will feel pushed by change instead of leading it. Over time, this difference shapes not just careers but whole lifestyles. The future belongs to people who move with change, not against it. What the next 10 years look like. Over the next 10 years, many roles will transform. Entry-level routine jobs will shrink. Strategy-based and people-focused roles will grow. AI will become a partner in most careers. The future is not humans versus machines. It is humans working with machines. Those who prepare early gain stability. Those who wait face stress later. Workplaces will also become more flexible. Remote work, digital teams, and global collaboration will rise as AI removes location barriers. Small businesses will compete with large companies because tools will level the playing field. One person with the right systems can now do the work of 10. That changes how success looks. It will be less about size and more about smart use of technology. How you can prepare now. You do not need to panic. You need to prepare. Start with one tool. Build one new skill. Improve one workflow. Then repeat. Growth does not happen in one big leap. It happens through small daily steps. The people who win in the AI era will not be the smartest. They will be the most consistent. Begin by learning how AI fits into your current job. Use it to save time, reduce errors, and improve results. Then slowly expand into new areas. Take short courses. Watch simple tutorials. Practice every week. Preparation today removes fear tomorrow. and confidence becomes your strongest career advantage. There you have it. Artificial intelligence will not replace all human jobs in the next 10 years, but it will replace the way many jobs are done. The winners of this new era will not be the ones who fear technology. They will be the ones who learn to use it before it uses them. If this video helped you understand the future of work more clearly, hit the like button. Share it with someone who feels unsure about their career. And subscribe to the channel so you stay ready for what comes next.